Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing the headlight bulb, and these are actually the HID bulbs on this 2007 Toyota Prius. Alright, so it looks to be that the right side is burned out. So what was happening was sometimes it would be turning on, but lately it's just completely not been turning on ever. So here's what the original one looks like. And here are the new lights that we got. So this was actually a pretty good deal on Amazon. I think it was right at $25 for a pair of 4300. They have actually different colors. They have 6000 and 8K. So I went ahead and go with stock because the other ones tend to be too blue or, you know, too purpley. All right, let's open this thing up and see what they look like. And D4R4 is what they call them there. Little card. 4300. Looks pretty nice. Looks to be a pretty good quality, guys. Alright guys, so the bulbs look nice. So the next thing we need to do is figure out how to get the original one off. Alright guys, so unfortunately the right side seems to be the harder one, because on the left side here we just got this little cap here right in front of you, so you don't have to really do anything. But on this side we have this plastic little dam here that's in the way. Just gotta get this clip off and then get this off. So alright guys, so we got the clips out. One of them was here, is the longer one, and the shorter one was in here holding this guy. So this should just pop right off now, and it does. Okay, that was pretty simple. And now we can see our big little screw cover here where we have to unscrew to get to the inside. Let me see if I can set the camera up in this angle so you guys can see. Alright guys, hopefully you can see that. Right here is the cap. So first we're going to go ahead and try to unscrew it. So I'm guessing it's going to go counterclockwise. Okay, sometimes you got to hit these things because they're, you know, they haven't been open for over 10 years. So this one probably longer than that. So I probably need to get something to hit on this a little bit so I can break it loose. Alright guys, so I got a random stick here, so I'm going to try to hit it. See if we can get it undone like that. Okay, I'm touching the camera. Yeah, this one's really stubborn. But I think it moved a little bit. Let's see. Alright, it's definitely moving, but it's not wanting to come out completely, so I'm going to play around with it back and forth. Fighting with this back and forth, I think I'm finally breaking it loose here. It's starting to move pretty easy, as you can see. There we go. Finally. Man, that's a pretty terrible design or something, or just probably from just not opening in a long time. This rubber here just gets old. Go ahead and try to release the plug for the bulb. Okay, that's easy. Came right off. So here's the plug, but I think I still need to get that cap out of the way, so because I don't think I can have enough room here. So inside in the light bulb there's two little springs that you got to unhook so they can release the bulb. All you do is when you feel the little springy part, you just push on it this way towards the outside, and then you kind of pull it out this way, and then it kind of falls out both same sides. So, and then the bulb will come out, as you can see right here. So as you can see guys, here's the bulb, and it looks like it's not the original bulb, I don't think, because I think the original bulb is a Phillips bulb, but this one appears to be a Zinrak or something. It's a German bulb also, so it must be like a replacement bulb. So I guess it's been replaced before. Alright guys, so here is our new bulb. So remember not to touch the actual bulb, because you don't want to put oil on it, which, you know, could lead to early failure because of that. So now all you're going to do is just stick it right back in. Hey guys, I forgot to mention the important part is this piece, it goes down like this. So when you're putting it back in, make sure you should be able to feel it like sit in there, like it has to sit in flat, straight. So once you know that it's sitting flat and flush against where it's supposed to be, and then you can just clip these back on. and just stretch them over the hook, literally like this, over the hook, and that's it. It should be working, believe it or not. So obviously, well, I guess we still have to put this back on, so, but this is pretty simple. Obviously, just go back on top of the bulb and screw it clockwise, and that's it, it's on. And unfortunately, guys, you can't see, you know, more than half of what's going on, so in order to see everything better, you would have to take the headlight off, so you know, that's quite a bit more work to do that. And that's it, and we're back in action. And as you can see, guys, it fired up. It seems to be really white. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't change this side also. So this one should be a little bit easier. We will have to take this little cover off here to give us a little more room. And we have a decent amount of room, not a lot to be honest. Alright, guys, so same thing on this side. I got the cap off. That was definitely the hardest thing to do. These caps are just glued on there. It's crazy. So I used the stick to pry on the whole thing with this stick to pry it as I'm trying to turn it with the hand at the same time. And that works eventually. You really have to like put some good pressure on there. So, and same way, you know, you got these little clippers, you unclip it, it falls down, and the bulb just comes right out. I can get it out here. There we go. So, and this one is still good, but we're gonna go ahead and replace both of them, obviously, since we got them both out. It looks like the same company on this side too, so. Alright, guys, so we got bad news. So I changed both of the bulbs, so I turned them on, and they keep turning off. I'm not sure what's going on, but here we go. I'm going to turn them on, and you can see that they're both glowing, and the car is on, so there's plenty of voltage or whatever. But here in about like 10 seconds or 15, they just come right off, both of them at the same time, which is the weird part. Let's see if they'll do it. They did it so far 3 times in a row together. There they go. Left one, then the right one, right after the other. And they keep doing that. So if I turn it off, wait for a couple seconds, turn it back on, then they come on, and then they just go off. This is weird because I read and made sure to fit the Priuses before I bought this. And there was even reviews on the Amazon link where they said that, you know, I got this from my Prius, works great. I'm not sure what's going on. Unfortunately, I might have to send these back and buy another pair. They're a lot more money. I was kind of happy that these were only 25. I'm going to have to spend close to 50 now, which I'm fine with. I was thinking this would be fine because these have great reviews and thousands of them sold. Yeah, there they go again. That is crazy. Yeah, guys, so it looks like no go for these things. So they're not staying on. They're just not staying on. I guess the ballast on the Prius just doesn't take them. So they'll come on, but they won't stay on. Well, that's unfortunate. I guess I'll have to redo this again one more time. They seem to be really good bulbs. They're really white, and they seem brighter also than the original one. There they go. Yeah, both of them at the same time, which is the crazy part. Alright, guys, so I'm realizing that might be a difference because it says D4R here on the package. As you can see, it says D4R. But on these bulbs that were in the car, it says on them D2R. As you can see, D2R. So I wonder if that's the difference. So that's probably the mistake I made. I didn't look good enough of what I needed. I just went by the reviews thinking, you know, this is it. Unfortunately, now I have to send them back and buy other ones. Or at least, you know, the video's not pointless because, you know, we did open them and we did change them and we put them back in. Just don't buy these bulbs that I bought. I'm going to leave the link to the right ones for sure, so make sure that's right. So it is a little bit hard to get these things off, but now that I've broken them loose, I'm sure it'd be a lot easier to take them off. In any case, guys, hopefully this video is still useful. I will have to say that it is very hard to take off those caps. If you're not inclined for something a little bit more resistive like that, you might have to get somebody else to do it. So, but once you get those caps off, it's not too hard after that. So it's a little fiddling around, but you can get it for sure, as long as you can get past that cap. So Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit that like button. And also guys, if you're not subscribed and you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. Also go check out more Prius videos I got, repairs mostly, and also the hybrid battery repair. I got quite a few videos for that. And as always guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.